How to add phone number on Facebook? This process is the same on iOS and Android. Open Facebook on your device. Make sure you have log in your account. Click on the profile picture at the bottom left corner of the screen on your iPhone. For Android, you will find 3 lines at top right corner of the screen. Then, navigate to Settings and Privacy and select Settings. Click on Account Center. Then, scroll down to the Personal Details, click on it and tap on Contact Info. Here you can add your phone number by selecting Add New Contact and click on Add Mobile Number. Enter your number and you'll receive a verification code via text message. Enter this code to confirm that the phone number is yours. After adding your phone number, it's a good idea to adjust who can see it. Go back to the Contact Info section and click on your phone number. Then select the Facebook account. Click on Change Visibility on Facebook. You can make it visible to everyone, just your friends, or only me. I am going with only me. Go back, you will see the visibility changed to only me. And that's it.